Let's learn how to change your Gmail or Google account phone number. If you want to change the phone number on your Google account but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. Once you've opened the browser, go to google.com. When the Google homepage opens, you need to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on that option, a page with several options will open. Out of all these options, you need to click on Manage your Google account. Once you've clicked on that, a page with more options will open. From these options, you need to click on Personal Info. After clicking on that, scroll down a bit to the Contact Info section. When you reach this section, click on your phone number. Clicking on it will open a page where you need to click on your phone number again. This will open a page with several options. On this page, you need to click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. When you click on pencil icon, a page where you have to type Google password. When you typed in a page with several options From these options, you need to click on Update Number, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, a page will open where you need to click on your phone number. When you do that, delete your current number and enter the new number you want to use. After doing that, click on the Select option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, the number will change on both your Google and Gmail accounts. This was a tutorial on how to change your phone number on your Google and Gmail accounts. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.